Our brains are wired differently to neurotypicals, or people that don't have autism, allowing us to think in unusual yet logical ways. And because we carry out tasks and think in these unorthodox ways, it may mean that we can carry out tasks in quicker timeframes or in more detail. Some of us think in visual images, so we may not need to spend ages reading instructions, again saving time. There was one individual with autism from America who I read about who was absolutely amazing at building Lego models. Because he was so great at building Lego models, his dad set him up with his own company, building pieces of furniture for different people. And he never ever needed to look at the instructions when putting the pieces of furniture together. He could just simply visualise how the pieces were meant to go together by looking at the finished diagram. And I believe that that's definitely one of that individual's autism superpowers. It may be wise to investigate how an individual with Asperger's or with autism has gone about a particular task, because it may be a more beneficial way for the company to go about a task or a similar task in the future, because it could save that company time and money.